Here we have a Comfort Star inverter ductless unit that's running. See right there. See right there, it says Comfort Star. It's a main split heat pump. The model number is CHP018CD, open parentheses, O, close parentheses. Is there? See the barcode for the produce date. Alright, where's the barcode? Seems to have already come off. Yeah, I ain't seeing it here. So I don't know how old this is, but it doesn't appear to be too old. Yeah, nothing really too much. Just at the tiny little post office that Ryland, Alabama has, by the way. So yeah. Get this focusing. So yeah, here we have a tiny, here we have a Comfort Star inverter heat pump ductless unit that's currently running. That's where I look at the fan blades, they appear to be blue. But yeah, here's this at the tiny little post office in Ryland, Alabama. Over and out.